Hello, aspiring call center agent. This is Nayumi Cee speaking. For today's topic, we are going to do another sample mock call for retail account, and this is dedicated for newbies. So if you're a newbie listening or watching this video, comment down below. Say hi, I'm a newbie. And yes, our topic is about return of an item ordered. So I actually created sample mock calls for replacement request, refund request, and more details about retail accounts. So if you're interested with that, I'll put the link in the description box down below so you can also watch it. And so yes, before we begin, I'd like to let you know that I'll be acting as an agent and as a customer as well. And I actually provided a script in this mock call so you can follow along with me as I read the script. And also, pardon about the background noise. It's 4 o'clock in the morning as I am filming this video, recording this video, so you can hear roosters crowing in the background. But yes, let's go ahead and begin. So, yep, we'll talk about first, of course, the issue or the concern of the customer. So, customer is calling to ask how she can return the item sent to her address. She ordered one piece of modem, but she received two of them. So, this is the one of the reasons why customers would return an item, right? Especially if they're honest. But if they're not, then of course they can keep it, right? So here are the details of this mock call. So the customer's name is Lakeisha Woods. Customer's address is 5 Sugarberry Street, Boston, Massachusetts 17263, and the order number is 187-535-610-100. And the company name is Tech Retail Shop. So let's begin the mock call. Hi, thank you for calling Tech Retail Shop. My name is Nayumi, to whom I have the pleasure of speaking with today. Hello, Nayumi. This is Lakeisha Woods. How are you? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about yourself, Lakeisha? So far so good. I'm actually calling because I ordered one modem from you guys because I needed to replace my old one at home. To my surprise, I've got two modems sent to me. I thought maybe you just ship it incorrectly, and so I want to know how I can return it back to you guys. I don't need two modems. Wow, I appreciate you calling us today to notify us that you've received more than what you've ordered. What an honest customer. Thank you. I'll definitely give you ways on how you can return it back to us. Do you have your order number with you? Oh, no problem. I understand that things like this happen too. And yes, I have my order number with me. It is 187-535-610-100. Right, thank you. Just a moment as I review your order. Not a problem. I'm here. Just do what you need to do, dear. Yes, so looking into our system, it shows that you indeed ordered and paid for just one modem. So in this case, here's what we'll do. I'll send you a link on how you can print your returning label so you can drop off the other modem at the nearest UPS drop-off point. Sounds good? Yeah, that's not possible for me though. I don't have printer at home. How about if I go to the local USPS across the street and drop it off there? Is that possible? I see. So yes, it's possible for you to drop it off there. We're also in partnership with USPS. Okay, that's better. So what do I do with the modem? Will I put it on a box or no need to? How about the shipping fee for the return? Will I shoulder it? I don't want to. You don't need to put it in a box. Just bring the physical modem to the drop-off point. USPS staff is the one who print the label and put it in the box for you. As per the shipping fee, since we're in partnership with them, you don't need to pay for it. Oh, I see. That's great. Well, I'll go to the USPS today, then have that returned back to you. Sure, sure. Thank you so much again, Lakeisha. But do you have any concern aside from this? No, I'm good. You've answered all my questions. You have a great day, dear. You have a great day too. Again, this is Nayumi from Tech Retail Shop. Bye. And yep, that's our sample mock call for today. I hope you've learned something from this. So as usual, I'll give key takeaways whenever there is a mock call session that I do. So the first takeaway that you should be doing is have an upbeat opening spiel. So make sure to deliver an energetic and friendly opening spiel. So the moment the call came in, the customer will feel your vibe that you're a jolly person, you're perky, and most customers like that. Next is thank the customer for returning the extra items sent. Right. So as you can see from that call, Anayumi said, "I appreciate you calling us today to notify us that you've returned, and that you're willing to return an item that was sent to you by mistake, most probably, because not all customers are." Honest. Most of them will just keep it thinking that it's a gift, but the customer, think that maybe they've incorrectly sent this to me, so I have to let them know. So yeah, say thank you to that. Show appreciation. Okay, so answered all of the customers' questions. So as you've noticed, the customer asked question about how to return the modem. Will she need to put it in a box? Do does she need to like shoulder the shipping fee for it because she doesn't want to, because it's not her fault basically, and she's just doing an extra help with us. And so yeah, you or Nayumi answered all of her questions, so we're good. And then ask customer if she needs assistance from something else. So you please do not forget to ask this question whenever a call came in and you already resolved the first issue. So you have to ask for any other questions. Maybe they have another questions that needs to be taken care of, right? And this will also this will save your first call resolution and avoid repeat calls. Okay. And another or the last one is closing the spiel with name and brand included. So as you can see, I included my name so the customer will not forget my name when a survey came in, because in Riddle account there really is a survey. She will remember me, and since there is a good call, or I believe it's a good call, then she is most likely to say yes with the survey. And the brand included, of course, you have to tell what's the name of your company. So yeah, if you've learned something from this video, make sure to visit our page, like this page please. I'm actually posting every single day in this page. I post comments from those viewers of ours who were able to pass their interviews and assessments and land a job, get a job offer, so I can congratulate them. Also, you can send me direct message there if you want me to refer you to the same company I'm working with. That's possible. And yep, I also sell, by the way, in Shopee. My shop is Nayumi Cee shop. I'll put the link in the description that box down below in case you're interested to buy some of the items I sell there. Okay, and yeah, so make sure to please like this video, share this video, comment down below. Really appreciate that. If you have video suggestions, I actually appreciate those as well. And make sure to turn on the notification bell button when you subscribe to my channel. And so yes, I'll see you again next time. Bye.